Hello, how are you all doing? Welcome back to Learn Urdu with Sara, where I help you have a better understanding of Urdu language. If you're learning Urdu or Hindi, this channel is going to be very beneficial for you. Today I'm going to teach you the basic Urdu verb, that is the verb to be. In Urdu, that verb is hona. Hona. It is to be, to happen, or to become. We're going to conjugate this verb in 5 different tenses. Now remember that hona is used as a verbalizer. That means it can be attached with many nouns and adjectives and we make them a verb. I'm going to use many verbs which are made with hona and a noun. I made a video about it as well, and here's the link. So the tenses that we're going to conjugate it in is present simple tense, which is about routine, habits, traits, facts, etc. Like I walk or I do, etc. The second tense is the present continuous tense, which describes an ongoing action, like I am doing, I'm working, like that. The third tense is the future tense, which is of course something that is gonna happen, like I am going to work, I will work, or I will go, etc. Fourth tense is the past simple tense, which is an action that happened in the past week or any past event. For example, I walked, I did, I worked, etc. And the fifth tense is the action that was repeated in the past habitual tense. I used to walk, I used to go, etc. I made videos on each of this tense. You go to my channel, search playlist, and you can see the playlist for the tenses. The first verb we're going to take is gussa hona. Gussa hona. Hona is the verb that we're going to conjugate, but this is the whole verb. Gussa is anger. It's a noun. Gussa, and then hona is to be. To be angry is the meaning of this verb. Gussa hona. This is how a lot of verbs are made in Urdu. Now we're going to conjugate in the present simple tense, and for simplicity we are just going to use the pronoun main, which is I, and the verb with it is going to be hon, main hon. And then in between the subject and the verb, we're going to put our conjugated verb, which is gussa hona. If we conjugate it, it will become gussa hoti for a female. Gussa hoti. Main gussa hoti hun. Main gussa hoti hun means I become angry, I get angry. Main gussa hoti hun. Main gussa hoti hun. I get angry. Main gussa hoti hun. For men, it will be मैं गुस्सा होता हूँ. मैं गुस्सा होता हूँ. I become angry. मैं गुस्सा होता हूँ. This is the fact about their personality. They get angry. Notice that we are not touching gussa. We're just conjugating the verb hona. Now let's conjugate in a present continuous tense. Again, the same basic foundation, which is मैं हूँ, and in between the subject and the verb we'll put the conjugated form, which is गुस्सा हो रही. मैं गुस्सा हो रही हूँ. मैं गुस्सा हो रही हूँ. For a female, मैं गुस्सा हो रही हूँ. For men, it will be मैं गुस्सा हो रहा हूँ. मैं गुस्सा हो रहा हूँ. I'm getting angry. मैं गुस्सा हो रहा हूँ. When you're speaking very fast, you say मैं गुस्सा हो रहा हूँ, like that. You don't have to say रहा. मैं गुस्सा हो रहा हूँ, like that. We can take another verb, which is परेशान होना. परेशान होना is to get worried. परेशान होना. मैं परेशान हो रही हूँ. I'm getting worried. मैं परेशान हो रही हूँ. And if a man is saying it, he will say मैं परेशान हो रहा हूँ. मैं परेशान हो रहा हूँ. मैं परेशान हो रहा हूँ. तुम कहाँ हो? Where are you? Because I'm trying to make it beginner friendly, I'm not going to give you complicated sentences. Now let's see it in the future tense. The verb hona is used to describe how you're feeling and emotions and etc. In the future, it will be मैं गुस्सा होंगी, मैं गुस्सा होंगी. Ongi is the suffix for the future tense. मैं गुस्सा होंगी, हो ongi, होंगी. मैं गुस्सा होंगी, I'll be angry. And if a man is saying it, it will be मैं गुस्सा होऊंगा, मैं गुस्सा होऊंगा, I will be angry. मैं गुस्सा होऊंगा. मैं परेशान होंगी, मैं परेशान होंगी, I'll be worried. मैं परेशान होऊंगा, I'll be worried. मैं परेशान होऊंगा. Let's say I'll get ready. The verb is going to be तैयार होना. So तैयार होंगी, मैं तैयार होंगी, I will get ready. मैं तैयार होंगी. And for men it will be मैं तैयार होऊंगा, मैं तैयार होऊंगा, I will get ready. मैं तैयार होऊंगा. So let's take another verb which is खुश होना. खुश is happy and होना is to be happy. मैं खुश होंगी, मैं खुश होंगी, I will be happy. मैं खुश होऊंगा, मैं खुश होऊंगा. We can take another verb which is फारिग होना. फारिग होना. फारिग is free, होना is to be free. फारिग होना, to be free. मैं फारिग होंगी, I'll be free. चलो चलते हैं, मैं आज फारिग होंगी. मैं फारिग होंगी. If a man is saying it, it will be मैं फारिग होऊंगा, मैं फारिग होऊंगा. A lot of times we also say free होना. मैं free होंगी, I'll be free. Or if a man is saying it, it will be मैं free होऊंगा, I'll be free. मैं free होऊंगा. We use a lot of English words in Urdu. Does it happen in your language? Now let's see the past tense. In the past tense, as you probably know, or if you don't know, you can watch my videos on the past tense. But we have to see the kind of verb we're using. If it's a transitive verb, we're going to construct the sentence differently. And if it's a intransitive verb, then it's going to be a bit easier. So for example, in this case, hona is an intransitive verb, which means it does not require a direct object. So that means that the subject and the verb will be in agreement. So for example, if I'm saying, the verb ending will be e. मैं परेशान हुई, मैं परेशान हुई, I was worried, मैं परेशान हुई. If a man is saying it, it will be मैं परेशान हुआ, मैं परेशान हुआ, I was angry, I became worried, मैं परेशान हुआ. So nothing fancy, pretty straightforward. A is for male subject and E is for female subject. Let's say naraz hona, which is to be cross with someone, to be angry, not happy with someone, is naraz hona. मैं नाराज हुई, I was cross with you. मैं नाराज हुई, मैं नाराज हुआ, मैं नाराज हुआ. तुम्हारी बातों की वजह से मैं नाराज हुआ. Because what you have said, I was angry, or I was cross with you. मैं नाराज हुआ. Another verb we can take is उदास होना, which is to be sad. मैं उदास हुई, I became sad. मैं उदास हुई, मैं उदास हुआ, मैं उदास हुआ. ये मूवी देखकर मैं उदास हुआ. ये मूवी देखकर मैं उदास हुआ क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा गमगीन मूवी थी. Now let's see the last tense, which is the past, habitual tense, the action that is repeated in the past. पहले मैं परेशान होती थी, I used to get worried. मैं परेशान होती थी. मैं खुश होती थी. पहले मैं गुस्सा होती थी. गुस्सा होती थी. I used to get angry. If a man is saying, he will say मैं गुस्सा होता था. मैं पहले गुस्सा होता था. पहले मैं परेशान होती थी. पहले मैं परेशान होती थी, अब मैं नहीं होती. मैं परेशान होता था. I used to get worried. I hope you have learned a lot. If you want to support me, you can support me on Patreon. Please give it a thumbs up if you like this particular video, and subscribe if you want to see more content in the future. And I'll see you later. Have a great day and goodbye.